My son, how are you? Sorry for the game of last week. I did not forecast it very well. You know that this Australia season, e get the way the thing dey. So let me tell you, I don forecast now. So the game wey I get for you for this week na palm 3 from 4. 3 lines. You go play that one separate. Then for another coupon, you come play this sure banker na nap. Okay, the game first come week 13 for English season. Week 13, if you go week 13, you see one picture wey one player put hand on top number 13. Then when you come go back 3 season, you see Coventry versus Derby. That match na draw, na fixed game. When you now go 13 seasons ago again, you come see for Bob Martin wey Derby play Coventry. That time Coventry come dey away. The match ended in a draw as well. So the code don come back again this week. If you check am now, you will see that for number 13, Coventry and Derby na dey there. So this week now, that one na sure banker.
70 years old man.
Oga, Baba sure banker. You sure say na this thing na you take build house? Wey you tell me say all the houses wey you get, na this thing you take build. I tell you say na bet Naija na I be dey play before as a young guy. Because of you, I say make I try coupon. Since I know dey win for bet Naija, you say na you be Baba sure banker. So I go dey win for here. 6 months now. Wetin I don take play coupon wey I no win is more than 100,000. And you dey give me game every week. Na so one dey cut am. I don tire. E be like say gamble no be my calling. Make I go find work dey do.
No dey give up easily. See, me I don take for this game. I'm well over 70. I tell you, say all my houses na this coupon. Now I take build them. I'm telling you, it's just that the forecast for Australia season, e get the way it be, but you need to calm down. No worry, one day it go enter. All those money where you don dey lose since. Now 1 week, just one sure banker na you need, it go enter.
You be mumu.
Baba, I no dey do again. I no dey gamble again. I don try bet Naija, e no favour me. This one sef no favour me. Enough is enough. I no dey do again.
Brother, come back home. Bet Naija is your home. I tell you, say coupon na for old men na, for village, all those men wey dey take snuff. And then they play coupon, they go pool house, go dey play na. I tell you, say way no dey there. Now you don go. Agaracha must come back. You don come back now. 6 months wey you take dey with them, you win anything? Even though you dey with Bet Naija 3 years, you no win anything. But nearly every week na one dey cut am. You understand me? Now wey you don come back to Bet Naija, after you go for 6 months, new update don dey. You see the long ticket wey I carry come meet you for house. New updates don dey now for Bet Naija. This update dey come only once a week. You understand me? This one na sure bet for everybody. 2 odds wey sure every week you must get am. The bet na say all the players, 11 players in a particular team go wear boot. Maybe Arsenal wan play Man U now. You say all 11 players in Arsenal will wear boot. Then they see player wey no dey wear boot play match. You see say that one na free odd, na sure odd, na 2 odds. If you put 100k for that one na 200k sure for you every week. So you go play that one separate. If you sell your bike, put am for that 2 odds sure. You go double your money. Then you see this long ticket wey I carry come, so you go play the booking code. Na as I dey with you, so na 500 games dey, 50 naira to win 50 billion.
It is smoke Igbo.
You understand me? So these two now you go play. The sure odd na 2 odd. That one don cook, e don done. That one na free money wey betting company dey give everybody every week. You understand me? Then this other one, so I settle down. Me and professional gamblers, people wey don dey gamble for over 50 years. Now we sit down, cook am together. 500 games wey done. BTS dey inside. Home team to score within the first 15 seconds. All dey inside. You understand me? So get up now, mo you go play this game. E sure me die.
Run o.
You know say I tell you, say I no wan dey play this thing again. I don play this thing 3 years, e no favour me. I still go try coupon for 6 months, e no still favour me. Abeg, I wan go back to farm work. Abeg, I no fit for all this wahala.
Calm down. Why you go back to farm work? Fine boy like you fresh oh. Sell this your okada. Use am play this 2 odd first. Then find small money. Take play these 500 games. You can be the next lucky winner of 50 billion. Have faith. Life na risk. You have to be taking risk. Anybody wey no dey take risk, e don die oh. Everything for this life na risk. Just try your luck. You understand me? Tomorrow will be a better day.
Okay, I don hear. I'll collect this paper from you. I'll go play am for Papa place. Yes, Papa place there. Na there for the gamble before. I'll go there, go play. Baba bet. Now today I know sport betting na scam, and you are a part of the scam. Since why I don dey bet for this your shop, I never win before. I don tire. I go line up over 500 games, no one enter. I line up 500 games. I put 50 naira to win 50 billion. All cut. I even bet that all the players of Arsenal go wear boots, play match. Why that one sef go cut? Separate ticket oh. I bet say all the players of Arsenal go wear boots, play ball. How manage that one cut to? Explain to me. That it's obvious. This sport betting a scam. I took a break for 6 months. I come back. Now losses upon losses. I never win shishi for this your bet shop before. Calm down. What is wrong with you? Calm down. That one where you say all the players go wear boot. Maybe somebody wear slippers.
He shock you.
The question is, who wear slippers? Who wear slippers? 11 players for Arsenal. They want play match. One can't wear slippers. Wetin happen? They thief in boots. Maybe one of them just decided to wear slippers. Now I make the ticket to court. I don't know for that one. You cannot blame me. You don't come to my office and you shout at me. I am old enough to be your father. You don't talk to me like that. This betting, I want stop am totally.
No stop am oh. If you stop am, how will I be able to feed my family? How will I be able to pay my son's school fees? My son wey dey school for Unilag. Don't try it. If you stop it, there is going to be problem. What is wrong with you? Have faith. Be confident. If this week not good, next week if it good.
Baba, how many of your children they play bet Naija?
God forbid. How my children go they play this kind thing?
Oh, but you dey encourage me another person pikin to dey play, abi?
Come make I tell you something where you not know. You see this gambling of a thing, this sport, bet Naija, all these things. Now losses and addiction, now they power the industry. You see, as on they lose, as on they addicted to the thing, now waiting they make the industry they grow. Now make it they see betting companies springing up here and there. I beg no stop. If you stop to gamble, how me and my family want take chop?
As I come dey lose every day nko.
If you no lose, a betting company no go chop nah. Now your losses, now they make the company the booga. Even me we be agent, if you no lose, I no go chop. Betting company no want make you win. We the agent, we don't want you to win. Forget where they talk say use my promo code. Betting company, their agenda na to make sure say you lose. Me as an agent, I dey follow you, they laugh. My prayer na make you lose. Now, see the way they pay me. Now commission. My total sales in a week minus the total winnings at my shop. Whatever remains, the company go carry 80%. Me, I go take ordinary 20%. You understand me? My sales must be bigger than the winnings at my shop. Any week, we be say my sales small past the winnings. Maybe my sales throughout the week na 20,000. One idiot come win 100,000. I no go get a shishi that week. But if I fit sell 20,000, you understand me? And the only winning na 10,000. Then company and me go share the 10,000 wey remain. They take 8,000, I take 2,000. That is why anytime una win big, una go dey happy, me I go dey here dey frown because I know that I will not get any commission that week. That is why I dey always dey beg anybody wey win, say find me small thing. Because my mission here is to make sure that you lose. I'm not happy when you win, because when you win, I do not earn any commission. Even company go dey quarrel with me, say why is it that people are always winning at my shop? Betting company can shut down your shop if the winnings are always too much. They will remove your name as an agent. So the betting company is a company that thrives out of your addiction, and they thrive out of your losses. The industry is driven by losses. So when a comedian will be ambassador to betting company say use my promo code, he does not wish you well. Now inside your losses, now they go still pay that comedian. He not wish you well. You understand me? So I beg, not stop to gamble, continue. One day, God go answer your prayer, or maybe na devil go answer your prayer. You fit still win. You understand me?
I go vex, tear all this ticket now. You dey encourage me to dey gamble. Although the thing don already enter my blood. I dey comot. Till next week, we'll see again.
Come on, man. So na true they talk. They say na Bet Naija shop na you dey stay. I went to your house last week, you know dey. I went there again 2 days ago, you know dey. I reach your house today, your wife dey tell me say you know dey stay house. Say na Bet Naija shop na you dey stay. Na so your life come spoil. But you were very brilliant when we go school together. Now wetin dey worry you now? You can't continue your life like this.
My guy, my guy, anytime I play, I dey always lose. See, my ticket don still cut today.
All your ticket must dey cut. You no understand? Na betting na you take dey play. Addiction wey bad reach betting and gambling, e no dey this life. Any man wey dey gamble, one day you go use that your baby, that your newborn baby, you go use am place bet, and that ticket go cut. After that your baby, you use your wife. Wetin dey worry you? If you wan make money na by gambling. You don't ever see anybody wey get gambling problem, gambling addiction wey better for life. They always dey look wretched and tattered because any money wey they make for gambling, na gambling they go lose am too. Wetin dey worry you? Industry wey be say na losses na dey power am. The industry will do everything to make sure you lose. If you eventually win, they fit even default, decide not to pay you. The agent wey you dey play this game with, he no dey happy with you when you win. He wants you to lose. What are you doing in an industry that is driven by losses, my brother? Wake up. If you want to make money legitimately, subscribe to Victor Isibor Reviews YouTube channel. Join in WhatsApp channel. Legitimate, vetted, trusted opportunities to make money online dey there. Now there all the young vibrant people for the full country, they go learn skills and cash out, make money legitimately. Why you dey dull yourself? Come on, go and subscribe to Victor Isibor Reviews YouTube channel now, so that you start learning how to make money legitimately by developing yourself. You just dey dull yourself. Nonsense. You can't stand in front of Bet Naija shop here, they cry like who don craze. Mumu.